Hi everyone, this video is to share how to use Screencastify to create a screencast to provide virtual instruction for your students. So what I did to even get this program is I just Googled Screencastify and I downloaded it as a Google Chrome extension. And what that means is you just get a fun little button that pops up in Google Chrome so that when you click on that button, it just pulls up the extension and you can start recording your screen. And because my video is already going here, I grabbed what your screen will actually look like, and that will look like this, where all I did was enable microphone. I also enabled my webcam so that you can see my face here, just in case you think that would be more helpful, although you don't have to do that if you don't want your face being out there. And then I hit record, and I am now screencasting. You can do up to a 5-minute video, so keep your instructions short. What I can do now is I can open up something like Active Inspire, and I can provide instruction to my students very similar to what you might do on your Promethean board. I personally have a stylus, so I actually made these little markings with my stylus in case you want to mark up your problems. But I can even use my mouse, and I can start writing out the problem like this. And it's not exactly as clean as if you were handwriting it, but it will work. So it's not bad. And what you can do after you're finished with your instruction, you can go back and stop your video. I'm not going to stop it now because then my screencast would stop. And you can edit, so you can cut your video in case maybe at the end you didn't like how the last 10 seconds was. You can trim it, and then you can immediately upload it to your Google Drive or Google Classroom or YouTube. And so it's very easy. Making a screencast really doesn't need to take a lot of time, and it's just a quick way to get some instruction at your students. I hope this is helpful. See ya.